Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In my last video I started a series called Out of the Box. This is a series where I open up all my dolls, get them out of the box and onto the shelf. Here's the dolls I opened in my last video. In these videos I'll do quick unboxings, share my thoughts on the dolls, and do a little setup of how they look out of the box. In my last video, I forgot to share that sometimes I keep the packaging. Here's what I kept from Abby's packaging. Before we get started, I would like to say that I've had some of these dolls for a very long time, so if you have any of these dolls, now's your time to get them off the shelf, dust them off, and reconnect with them and remember why you bought them. Okay, let's get started on what I'll be opening today. Okay, this is a Barbie Extra Mini playset. Here's the playset in the box. I found this playset at Walmart for $5.50. Here's how the playset was packaged. Here's the doll that comes in the playset. I really like this doll because she has pink hair. These Barbie Extra Mini dolls have articulation in the elbows and the knees. Here's all the pieces that the playset comes with. Here's how the playset looked put together. The playset also comes with 2 pets. Here's how the playset looks set up. This playset would be good for storage. It's sort of like a Polly Pocket type playset. Here's how the extra minis and the extra minis look in the chairs. I think the extra minis fit a lot better than the extra minis. Here's how the case stores and packs away. It stores everything very well. For $5.50, I really like this playset. It's really nice. Next, I have this Chelsea Science set. This set is really cute. I got this set at Walmart again for $2.50. This set comes with a lot of pieces, so I can see it being good for my miniatures. Next, I have this shelf that's on my bunk bed. I wanted to clean this area out so I can use this shelving, so I had to open these made-to-move Barbies that I have. So I will be unboxing all of these made-to-move Barbies and then storing them in a bin until I'm ready to use them. Here's all the ones I have. I got them from a store called Dirt Cheap. Here's all the girls out of the box. And here's the storage that I will put them in. Here's some of the surprise boxes I bought from Walmart for $1. I really like the Mellow ones. Those were really cute. These will make cute stuffed animals for my dolls. Okay, here's an update on how the shelf is looking now after I open all the things from my last video and this video. This shelf has all my dolls that have like a blue or a white outfit on, or they're winter themed. And this is my pink shelf. I had a Valentine's Day theme going here. Okay, yeah, my shelves are starting to fill up, but I still have plenty of room, so let's keep opening. Okay, next I thought Abby needed a friend, so I thought I would open up another Monster High doll. This will be my second Monster High doll that I open. I paid full price for Abby, but I got Cleo on sale on Amazon for $15. Here's everything she comes with. She comes with a carrying case, tattoos, and a mirror. I will be using this case to store my Monster High clothes. She also comes with this cute matching necklace that you can wear. The necklace also has eyeshadow in it. I think this is a cute added touch for kids. Here's how the carrying case looks in the inside. It's very spacious. It has a lot of room for storage. Here's a closer look at Cleo in her case. I like her face screening. I like the way they have the jewels printed on her face. That's really different and unique. I also really love her brown lipstick. I like the way it's not competing with her eyeshadow. She has really long, pretty blue hair. I think it's saran. It also has tinsel in it. I really like her hair. It's nice and soft. Her hairstyle is this top knot with swooped bangs. Her outfit is nice and simple compared to most of the Monster High outfits I see, so this one I kind of like. It's not doing too much. Most of the time Monster High can go a little overboard with too many colors in the outfits. This one is still doing like a lot, but I feel like the black background keeps it a little bit calm and simple. I'm not sure how to describe it, but like it's busy, but it's still simple. And I like the way they're using real fabric, not tulle. Yeah, so I like this outfit. Okay, so overall, I really like Cleo. I think this version of her is very unique. Okay, next I wanted to get a lot of my big boxes open. So I thought I would open up this Monster High playset for Abby and Cleo to hang out. I got this playset online at Walmart for $21. I thought that was a really good price. Here's the pieces that the playset comes with. This playset comes with a lot of fun pieces. Has a nice couch, lamp, this vending machine, a little chair. It also has fun games like Twister and Uno. It includes a lot of snacks like popcorn. It also comes with these cute pets. This playset is a little bit underscale for the dolls, but it still works. Here's how I set up the playset. Setting up this playset was pretty fun. I think it came out really cute. I tried to set this up really fast, so it took me about 30-45 minutes, maybe an hour to set it up and take all the pictures. For $20, I think this is a really cute playset. It has a lot of pieces. It's really fun. It looks cute. And I think it's a really cute set for props and photos. I also think kids will get a lot of play out of this set. I also would like to have the coffee bean set. I think that one's really cute too. Okay guys, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider liking and subscribing. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.